Hey, it's Nurse C, a blood star in, and come solve an IV push problem with me. The order is Med A, 200 milligrams IV push. Available is Med A, 100 milligrams per 2 milliliters. The direction, give undiluted at a rate not to exceed 50 milligrams per minute. The first question is, how many milliliters of Med A will you give? So our goal is milliliters. So we have an order of 200 milligrams that needs to be given. Our available medicine has the concentration of 100 milligrams per 2 milliliters. So I'm going to start with my goal every time. It needs to be first and it needs to be on the top. So this puzzle piece right here has the milliliters in it. So I'm going to take it and flip it. 2 milliliters over 100 milligrams. Now I have milligrams on the bottom, so I need to put my milligrams on the top. This puzzle piece has it, so 200 milligrams over 1, because it's not equal to anything. It's just single and by itself. So now I can do the math. I'll multiply across the top and get 400. And then I will multiply across the bottom and get 100. Divide the top by the bottom, and that's going to give me 4 milliliters. So that's how much medicine I need to draw up to give to the patient. The next question is, how many milliliters per minute will you give? So our goal is going to be milliliters per minute. So mLs on the top and minute on the bottom. I need to see, what does this say I can give to the patient? So it tells me that I can give it undiluted at a rate not to exceed 50 milligrams per minute. So that's how fast I can push it. So I need to see how much medicine could I push every minute. So I'm going to use my medicine concentration, 100 milligrams per 2 milliliters. So once again, I'm going to take my 2 milliliters and flip it and put it on the top over my 100 milligrams, and then 50 milligrams per minute. And I'm going to cancel out my milligrams, and now I have milliliter on the top and minute on the bottom. I'll do the math and get 100 on top, 100 on the bottom. So that's 1 milliliter that I can push the medicine per minute. My last question is, how many minutes will it take to administer Med A? So my goal is minutes. Okay, that's what I'm looking for. So I've already figured out that I have 4 milliliters of Med A that will give me my ordered amount. And then the rate that I can push it at is 1 milliliter per minute. So those are going to be my 2 puzzle pieces this time. Okay, so I like to write my puzzle pieces to the side, and I'll know what I'll be able to work with so I can put my puzzle together. So 1 milliliter per minute, that's how fast I can push this drug. And then 4 milliliters is how much I need to give to the patient. So I'm going to start with minutes this time. So I'll take my minutes and they'll be first and on top. So minute over 1 milliliter times my 4 milliliters. And because it's by itself, it'll go over 1. Milliliters cancels out. And now I have 4 divided by 1, which means it will take 4 minutes to give this medicine. If you like this breakdown, make sure you check out my YouTube channel. I'm also on TikTok, so let's defeat dosage together. Be blessed.